Breaking: horror wildfires break out in idyllic Portuguese tourist hotspot. Hundreds of people have been evacuated from their homes as massive wildfires sweep through a Portuguese holiday hotspot popular with Britons. At least 27 homes have been destroyed on the island of Madeira, off the northwest coast of Africa. Up to 400 people had been evacuated from their homes and 174 were hurt. Terrifying photos show entire swathes of hillsides in flames as firefighters struggle to contain the outbreaks. More than 3,000 firefighters spent Tuesday night combating blazes near the island's capital, Funchal. Firefighters and volunteers struggle to contain the all-encompassing blaze. But it is not just Madeira affected by the horror fires. Other tourist destinations have seen outbreaks as temperatures top 86 F, 30 C, and arid conditions in forests make flames likely.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmeme.webs.com.